Imagine walking into a modern office space or an innovative learning environment where collaboration and technology seamlessly come together. You see a sleek, futuristic-looking display at the center, a testament to cutting-edge innovation. Our subject for today, the 86 touchscreen monitor smartboard, a 4K interactive presentation electronic whiteboard with Android 13, designed to revolutionize the way we interact and present. This product is born out of a clear recognition of the problems plaguing traditional presentation tools. We've all been there, stuck in dull, stale meetings, where presenters struggle to captivate their audience with bland slides and tedious discussions. The era of passive participation is over. With the 86 smartboard, it's time to usher in a new era of engaging, dynamic, and highly interactive presentations. So what's the first thing you notice about this product? It's the stunning 4K display, a visual feast that promises unparalleled sharpness and clarity. The 20-point touchscreen monitor allows you to manipulate images with multiple fingers, effortlessly zooming in or out and creating a more immersive experience. The stylus provides precise control, ideal for note-taking and annotating images or documents, all without the need for cumbersome drivers. To top it off, this display is glove-friendly and boasts an incredible 5 milliseconds response time, ensuring seamless interaction. But that's just the beginning. The smart interactive whiteboard is where things get really exciting. Powered by Android 13, this powerhouse is equipped with a 4 GB RAM and 32 GB ROM, offering you seamless multitasking, rapid app launches, and effortless navigation. The onboard Play Store means access to a vast library of apps designed specifically for the Android ecosystem. Another critical aspect is the plug-and-play feature. With no complicated setup required, this display is up and running in minutes. Connectivity is a breeze, thanks to the multi-interface design, ensuring compatibility with a wide array of devices. In terms of design and build quality, the 86 touchscreen monitor smartboard exudes professionalism and sophistication. The sleek, modern aesthetic will effortlessly integrate into any high-end setting, and the premium materials used in its construction ensure a sturdy, reliable build that can withstand heavy usage. Usability is intuitive and straightforward, making it a breeze for newcomers to get started. Let's dive deeper into the features that make this product truly exceptional. The 4K display is a game-changer for presentations, providing an incredible level of detail and realism. Whether you're showcasing intricate designs, stunning graphics, or crisp video footage, this display never fails to impress. The smart interactive whiteboard is another area where the 86 touchscreen monitor smartboard truly shines. With the Android 13 operating system, you get access to a wealth of productivity tools and apps designed specifically for education and business. Whether you need to create engaging presentations, facilitate group discussions, or simply jot down notes, the stylus and intuitive interface make it all possible. But how does it perform in real-world scenarios? In our testing, the 86 touchscreen monitor smartboard consistently demonstrated impressive speed and responsiveness. Whether you're launching apps, navigating menus, or simply tapping through content, the experience is seamless and snappy. That being said, there are some trade-offs to consider. While the 20-point touchscreen monitor offers incredible precision, it can be a bit finicky when using multiple fingers simultaneously. Additionally, the stylus, while useful, can be prone to occasional lag or delay. These minor quibbles aside, the 86 touchscreen monitor smartboard remains an exceptional value proposition. So, is the 86 touchscreen monitor smartboard perfect? Far from it. However, it's an outstanding solution for those seeking a high-performance, interactive display for presentations, education, or digital signage applications. When comparing this product to others on the market, the 86 touchscreen monitor smartboard stands out for its exceptional build quality, comprehensive feature set, and ease of use. While some competitors may offer similar specifications or features, none come close to replicating the seamless integration and intuitive interface of this product. As a final verdict, the 86 touchscreen monitor smartboard is an industry-leading solution for anyone seeking a next-generation presentation and collaboration tool. If you're looking to revolutionize your meetings, classes, or digital signage displays, look no further. In short, invest in the 86 touchscreen monitor smartboard and unlock a world of limitless possibilities where collaboration, innovation, and technology blend seamlessly together. Get started today and experience the future of interactive presentation and collaboration.